All right, let's see how quickly I can knock this out. So here we go. This is what we're starting with. So I'm gonna section my hair. Now here's the real truth. I just take that much. Like honestly. And I'm just gonna pin that to the other side. I'm gonna start with the hairs closest to my ear. Taking the clamp and facing it away from me, starting in the middle, right by where my chin is, and I'm just twisting and pumping using my thumb and twisting that barrel through. I'm gonna let a little stick out at the end and roll up. Hold it for like 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And don't forget your heat protectant. I always start with that and I already put in some. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep doing that all the way through. Okay, hello. Okay, so there is the first part, and then I let my bangs down, and I'm gonna do that last section last. So let me go ahead, finish up the other side, and I'll be right back. Okay, my mother-in-law, my fiance, they're here, and I gotta peace out, but look at my curls. Look at how they turned out. So cute. We're going to the Packers game. I'll see you guys. Peace.